Hello all, welcome to Learn English with Pallavi Dhingra. So today the tense that we are going to learn is simple past tense or past indefinite. I hope in the previous two lessons present continuous as well as simple present is very clear to you. If you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. Let's start with simple past tense. Okay, so as the name suggests, simple past means the tense which is used in the past. So first what we are going to do, first I will be telling you the rules followed by the usage. Okay, so the first rule of positive sentence. So here also we are going to study positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative and negative sentences. For all these four sentence types, we are going to do simple past tense. Now for positive sentence, what's the rule? The rule is subject plus verb second form plus object. So here if I say subject, subject means both the subjects. Whether it is singular subject or it is plural subject. For both of the subject, the same rule will be followed in this tense. Plus verb second form, and this is a very important point that only simple past is the tense where we use verb second form, and that too in simple past only in positive sentences. Rest none where we use verb second form. Now followed by the object. Let me give you few examples. For example, I can take a singular subject first. He, and then the verb second form is ate. Past of eat is ate. He ate the food. So this is the example with the singular subject. He ate the food. Now let me give you the example with the plural subject. Now with the plural subject, I can take the verb as they. They cooked the food. So here it is, they is the plural subject, cooked is verb second form, and the food is the object. Okay, let me give you one more example with singular subject and then with the plural subject. Here now I take the verb is I helped my mother. So here I is what? I is the subject, helped is the verb, and my mother is the object. Next it is one more with plural subject. We taught him. And we is the past of, taught is the past of teach. So we taught him. We is the plural subject. Taught is the verb second form and him is object. I hope positive sentences are very clear to you. Now let's move towards the next sentence type, that is negative sentence. Okay, for negative sentences, you all have to be very careful of the rule. Here what happens, most of the people, they do the error. How? Just see, here also the rule will be subject plus, here it will be did. In simple present it will be like do or does, but in simple past it is did. Plus not, plus verb first form plus object. So what is the important point over here is that did not is followed by verb first form, not verb second form. Okay, also I can write this in the contraction form. For example, subject plus I can say didn't plus verb first form plus object. So both means the same. Whether I use with not, did not, or I say here didn't. For example, like he didn't talk to me. So I say he didn't talk to me. Or I can say the same example like this. He did not talk to me. He did not talk to me. So here I can, after didn't, I'm saying talk, word first form. And what is the error that most of the people do? They say he didn't talk to me. So by saying like this, he didn't talk, that is using verb second form. He didn't talk to me is absolutely incorrect. So this is the correct one. Okay. So now these are the rules with the negative sentence. That is, I'm repeating it one more time. Subject plus did not plus word first form plus object. Followed by the example, he didn't talk to me. Now moving towards the next tense. Next sentence. I'm sorry. That is interrogative sentence. Interrogative means what happens? That the helping word comes in the beginning. For example, here the rule will go like this. Did plus subject plus word first form plus object and a question mark. Did plus subject plus word first form plus object. And here the example will be did. Here let us take the plural subject. Did they go to play? And followed by the question mark. So here did is the same as it's written in the rule, and subject is they, and word first form is go, and to play is the object. So did they go to play? Let me give you another example with the singular subject. Did I help him? Followed by the question mark. Did I help him? Okay. So with the interrogative sentence, the rule is did plus subject plus word first form plus object. And the example will be with the singular subject, did they go to play? And with the plural subject, it is did I help him? Okay, now we are going to study the last sentence type, that is interrogative and negative sentence. Okay, so here the rule goes, interrogative and negative sentence means what? That the question mark as well as negation not will come. If for the rules goes like this, did plus subject plus not plus word first form plus object and a question mark. Did plus subject plus not plus word first form plus object followed by a question mark. And the other rule could be didn't plus subject plus word first form plus object followed by a question mark. So what is the difference here? Not is coming after the subject, and when in contraction it is coming before the subject. Okay, let me give you the example. Did Mary not write on the paper? Did Mary not write on the paper? So here see did, the subject is Mary, not, word first form is write, and object is on the paper. Now it didn't, it is didn't, and the subject, again I'm using the same example so that you can compare. Didn't Mary, here I'm not going to write not because not all comes in the contraction. Didn't Mary write on the paper? Alright, so the interrogative and negative rule will go like this. Did plus subject plus not plus word first form plus object, or in the contraction it is didn't plus subject plus word first form plus object. And the examples could be did Mary not write on the paper? Didn't Mary write on the paper? Also with the plural subject, the same rule will be followed. Like I can say, did they not write on the paper? With the same, if I have to use the plural subject, the same example can be done. Did they not write on the paper? And with didn't they write on the paper? I hope till here it is very clear to you. Now we will move towards the usage. Now what is the usage of this tense? It is used where we are using something in the past. the action that has been completed in the past. You can write it down, the action that is completed in the past. For example, I can say I went to watch movie. I went to watch a movie. So this action is already completed. Like I went to watch a movie. Went is the past of go. Alright, now the another usage is also in the similar way to talk about a series of actions that had been completed in the past. For example, first let me write it down. To talk about series of action completed in past. For example, I woke up, had breakfast, and went to office. So this is also, these are in the series. So, and the action is already completed, so we are using it in the past. And the signal words can be like the way that we can remember or we can recognize if the action is in the past are, I can say it is last week. Here let me write signal words. So if it is about last week and last month, I can also say yesterday, in 2017, long time. So the actions that is already been completed. So there we will be using simple past tense. For example, what I said, to talk about series of action completed in past. For example, I woke up, had my breakfast, and went to office. And the signal words could be last week, last month, yesterday, in 2017, long time. I hope this tense is very clear to you. Now I want you to go to the comment section, and with each of the sentence type you make sentences. For example, with the positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative and negative sentences in simple past. And if you have any query related to this tense or the tense I already taught before, you can ask me in the comments section. I will surely reply to it. And if you're new to my channel, do like, comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching.